Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the MyPBX portal overview for the users list. On screen, you're going to see the list of users. Once you log in into your system, you will be able to see the user's full name, email addresses, DIDs, which is the direct number for each user, extension number. The device will tell you if there's a device already assigned to any of these users. If you see any users, for example, like with this kind of device, it will tell you that there's a serial number and there's a device attached to the user or not. All right, if you go back to the list of the users, you will also see the role. The role will tell you if this is a regular user, or occasionally you will see that there is location admins. If you have more than one location admin, then each user or this admin should have its own username and password to log in into the system. If you wanted to check out or make sure the details of the users are correct, for example, you can click on the uh, user's name. This will take you to the user's details. In this screen, you will be able to edit the user, which will allow you to, let's say, change names, last names, the direct number that they wanted to use in this moment. By now, if you click on this drop down menu, you will be able to see what other numbers are available that you can add or assign to that user. Very important is the email address. This email address will be used as the destination for voicemail to email on users. If the voicemail goes into that user's mailbox and you have an email already determined here, this is where the voicemail to email will go to. And I'll show you guys where is that adjusted. Within the user, you will be able to change or update voicemail passwords. Very important is that this voicemail password will be a default passcode that later on, once the user enters this password, it will be required to change it for a personal or a private one. So whatever password you use here will be needed to be changed by the users once they try to log in into their phone or into their soft phone or mobile application. Also, you will be able to see your voicemail settings. In here, you are able to disable voicemail messaging. If you don't want a user with an actual mailbox, this is where you come in and you check it out. You will also be able to create or attach, in this case, that you have already a voicemail option. You can select here what to do when a message arrives into that mailbox. Right now, you're using the unified messaging. If you change it to forward to an email address, you will see that this field gets automatically available, and there you're going to be enabling the voicemail to email feature. One more thing that you will be able to see per user is the call history. You can go into the calls of this users itself. You can see using the criteria of your date and times, you can be able to see, let's say, what was the amount of calls done yesterday, outgoing, ingoing, and missed calls per user. Also, very important is when you go into your call settings. In here, you will be able to set up call forwarding. Let's say that tomorrow you want to have this user to have all their calls. This user is going on vacation. You want all their calls to go to your cell phone number. You need to turn it on. You can set up here a cell phone number if you want those calls to be forwarded to somebody's cell phone or to somebody's other extension. Let's say that I want my calls to get forward to my supervisor while I'm on vacation. This is where all the settings are turned on and off. Notice that you have different call forwarding settings. You have call forwarding always, call forwarding busy, no answer, and when I'm not reachable. All those forwardings can be set up per user at this place. Okay. Also, pretty much you can check out the incoming calls. I can tell the system what to do when there's an incoming call. I can set the user on do not disturb directly here from the portal. Okay, this will give you a quick idea of what to do or the settings, the usual settings that you will have um, per user. If you have any more questions, please refer to your admin training and we'll be able to assist you with a personalized admin training. Thank you. Keep tuned in for the Hung Group's upcoming training or overview as well. Thank you.